They have a strong friendship. There lies a profound friendliness between them. Do you want to learn paraphrasing? This video is just for you. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to another new lesson where we are going to dive into the world of paraphrasing. Paraphrasing is a great way to enhance your speaking and your writing capability. And if you are good at paraphrasing, you can be good at a lot of things in English. So today we are going to practice paraphrasing. Alongside, we are going to look at some of the rules of paraphrasing. So without wasting any time, we can jump into our today's topic. First, we are going to know what's paraphrasing. Paraphrasing is the rewriting of a passage or a text. And in case of this, you will have to look for the original meaning. You will have to keep the original meaning, but you will have to change the sentence. You will have to say the sentence in your own words. So that's what actually paraphrasing is. And there are some techniques that you can follow while paraphrasing. The first thing is read and understand the text meaning. Secondly, underline the key concepts. Number 3, change the sentence structure. Number 4, use some synonyms. And at last, you will have to check your sentence if you have written the intended meaning or not. Now, we are going to move for practicing some paraphrased sentence. So the first sentence I already showed you at the starting of the video, and it is, they have a strong friendship. I've already said my one, that is, there is a profound friendliness that lies between them. You can write your one in the comment section. Now we are going to the second one, which is, I need to go to the grocery store to buy some food. What are you going to write? So here we can change the sentence structure. And to change the sentence structure, the thing that I've done is I have written the second sentence at first. That is, it's necessary to go to the supermarket as I need some food. I have written like this. So how I have changed the sentence structure. You can see the first sentence was, I need to go to the grocery store to buy some food. It was in the simple sentence, but I have transitioned this sentence into a complex sentence by using as. And I've written, it's necessary to go to the supermarket as I need some food. Number 3, the cat is sleeping on the mat. The cat is sleeping on the mat. Is it tricky? No. You are going to use the same techniques that I have shown you at the starting of the video. So you're going to write some synonyms, and you can also underline the key concepts. And for paraphrasing this sentence, we can write like, on the carpet, the cat has fallen asleep. So instead of saying the cat is sleeping, you can say the cat has fallen asleep. You are just saying in your own words. So this is how you can paraphrase the sentence. Number 4, I want to travel and explore new things in the world. I want to travel and explore new things in the world. So here you can underline the words I want to travel. You can underline travel, and you can also underline explore. So, and then you can change the and you can use some synonyms of these words. And the paraphrase sentence written by me is, my goal is to go on adventures and stumble upon bargaining things. I have also changed the word new, and instead of writing new, I've written bargaining. That's an advanced word, and sometimes, of course, we need to write advanced word to make our paraphrased sentence look more professional and more precise. So now we may go to the 5th sentence, and it is, she made me angry when she was rude at the dinner. So here I've written, her offensive attitude made me furious at the dinner. Her offensive attitude made me furious at the dinner. Her offensive attitude. So instead of saying her behavior, or instead of writing the thing that she was rude at me, I have written her rude behavior. You can write your rude behavior, or you can also write her offensive attitude. So this is how you can paraphrase a sentence. Now I'm going to the 6th sentence, which is, my recent trip was quite satisfying. So satisfying refers to be quite enjoyable or interesting. And the sentence I've made is, most recently I had an enjoyable trip. Now, let's move to number 7. Number 7 is don't take her kindness for her weakness. Don't take her kindness for her weakness. You can also give it a try. The sentence written by me is respect her generosity and don't view it as fragility. Now let's move to number 9. He has tons of stuff to throw away. He has tons of stuff to throw away. The sentence written by me is there is plenty of stuff that he should throw away or he should discard. So discard is another synonym of throwing away something. So you can use discard. Discard also means to throw away or to get rid of something. Now let's move to number 10, the last one for today. And it is, I got a new bike. So as this is a very short sentence, and if you want to paraphrase this sentence, we can also change the sentence structure. And I would love to write it like I would love to make this sentence from active to passive. So I will make it, a new bike was purchased by me. A new bike was purchased by me. So this is how we can easily paraphrase everything. And I do hope you have learned some of the ways to paraphrase your sentences. And if you want, you can write your sentences in the comment section too. I will check it out and tell you if it is right or not. Thank you so much for your patient listening. See you some other time. Till then, take care of yourself. Goodbye.